Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M11, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once that has happened, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. And when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can let go. And there we go, we're now in the recovery mode. So in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and up goes up, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now as you can see, you can reboot the device from here, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. So I'm just gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot system now, power key, and there we go. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.